Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T Ideas coming to you with a short video of, you see all my stuff here? This is a caddy that I made with fountain drink holders. Fountain drink holders. Now this idea came from one of my subscriber friends. Her name is, let me get the proper name. At Maria Gonzalez. Maria Gonzalez. I'm going to put it in the comments when I upload this video. This here is, and look how much stuff it holds. See? It holds a lot of stuff. I ain't gonna say everything because you know I got some stuff. I got some stuff. I like mason jars for my little jingle jangles. I like mason jars for my jingle buttons and jingle jangles. And I got another mason jar here with the buttons and the things and blings and things. These here are mostly hair accessories, old earrings, old jewelry. We got some buttons in here. I got just some things, accessories to make whatever I want to make. Okay, that's a quart jar right there. That's a quart, and I think this is a pint or something. This is a pint, yeah. And it has different kind of buttons and I even have chains because I had a jewelry maker or whatever, and this is individual chains here in this bag. I don't do that anymore, but you know, with junk journaling, hey, we can use what we use. Okay. I'm going to try to get it to where you can see the front of it. I got my markers in here. Got my inker. You see I got one of these glue guns. I just got a little cross here. It's always good to have a cross around, baby. And I did two of them. I put the glue here. I got some glue sticks. I made a hole here with my hole puncher maker to hang stuff off the side. You know, the little hole thing. I just had it. I don't know where I put it. But anyway, story of my life. I just had it. Don't know where I put it. Okay. This is some stencils here. Put that hole right there, and I also have a hole right here. It come in handy to hang stuff off of it. Now, turning it this way, I got some glue. I got highlighter, more scissors and more scissors. And I got this jar, big old jar that fit in it, y'all. I mean, this hold a lot of stuff. And the stuff is not tight in it. Believe it or not, it's not tight. Okay. Now, this is how it look. I'm going to turn it from the side because I got my overhead on it. Now, this is the fountain drink holder. And what I did was I papered it. I put some wallpaper on it. Wallpaper, contact paper, whatever. And I put some silver spray paint on it. The silver spray paint to me wasn't showing up good, so I just put some blue. And which the blue matched the flowers. And being that, and I put it outside and let it dry, being that I sprayed this cardboard, it has made it sturdy. I wrapped it first. It is sturdy, very sturdy, with the paint on it and the paper. And this is how it looks from the side. Okay. This is how it looks from the front. This is the front. I might put my name tag right here. Bring me a name tag. Just playing around. And it holds my plates for my die cut, glue, bunch of glue, My ink, my, let's see, I can put it down now. My extra glue sticks, my drawing pencils, my cutter. Let's see. Do it like this and I found them real cheap one time at first came out at Dollar Tree. And this man was buying, and I bought a bunch of them too. That's when the Dollar Tree was the Dollar Tree. And I mean, cuts good, y'all. Thing of ink. Okay, I think I showed you everything on that side. And this here, I'm going to show you again. This is the fountain drink holders. And if you go get some fountain drinks, or if you're friendly with your corner store, you know, I utilize my corner store a lot. Matter of fact, I got a little card. They had a little rewards card, and I get points on them and everything. So you know, we're really friendly with each other. It's my corner store, and I go in there and I can get these. If I needed some, I never knew I needed them though until I seen Miss Marie Gonzalez. She's a YouTuber, and she's very sweet, yo. Very, very, very sweet. I seen on her desk, she was doing a live, and I seen on her desk that she had these containers, and I didn't know what the containers was. I mean, when you see them, you don't know. And I said, "What is that?" I said, "You made that?" I know she makes stuff. She's a crafter too, and she said it was drink containers. So I asked her, did she have a video of it? And I don't know if she did or not, but I opened them up, and it's simple. I just covered them, and I painted them too, and hold a lot of stuff. I'm glad to have them. This here container here, and look, I'm just trying to show you how wide. This is quart jars here. This is quart jars. This is my Cannon Mason jars back here, and it's a full holder drink container, and it hold all this. This right here is a can that I wrapped. This was a chicken seasoning can. And I had some, of course, you know, hey, we crafters. I had some paper here, wallpaper, cabinet paper, liner, and I just put it on here because this had a chicken on it and the writing and everything. I just put it on here, and I put my markers in here, my paint markers, like when I do my coloring and painting, and I put them in here. And this was only some of those markers, but they fit well. How big the can is. So you can fit a lot of stuff in these compartments. And here is my glue gun. I'm going to put that back. You see, I make my own stuff. Most of the stuff that I can make, I make. Most of the stuff that I can upcycle, I upcycle. You know, that's how I roll. You know, hey, I don't have money like that to go out and buy everything. And you know what? That make me a more resourceful person. Because I do make my own stuff. I make my own ephemera. Maybe not all of it, but I make much as I can. What I don't make, trust and believe, I didn't pay much for it. Because I'm that sell, hey, if it ain't on sale, I don't want it. Okay, now you see my paper, you see I made my paper holder, my ephemera holder here with my envelopes. I always show this because I'm so proud of it. I like it so much. And it stayed on my desk. And I think I'm going to make another one like this. Put it on the other side of my desk. Because that there is very much used. I use that. So that's what I want to show you. This video is not long. And, you know, I'm not a, what do they call it? I'm not a gatekeeper. I'm not a keeper of the game. So if I find something that's usable, doable, hey, us as crafters can use it if, we want, if I know of something, if I know of a sale somewhere, if I got something on a discount and it's still going on, I'll tell you the date, for you won't be running behind something that's a month old. I did that before I looked at the date. So I'm glad everyone is here. I appreciate y'all so much. I'm almost at 500. I know y'all been hearing me say that a lot. I'm almost at 500 subscribers, y'all. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you, Lord. I'm looking, the best is yet to come. So I'm going to end this video, and again, get you some drink, some fountain drink cup holders. This is what this is. And I still got a lot of space in it. I'm just taken aback. I'm just, if you like decorating stuff, you can put just some ribbons there or whatever. However you want to do it. But I'm going to put this in the corner over here. I'm going to put this to the left. Over there. So it won't be lonely. I'm going to put it over there with some more stuff. Junk. And, I have to keep some kind of order, y'all. Hey, that's the way my mind is set up. Not that I'm organized like that, but the stuff that I use all the time, I need to see it. I need to be able to reach it and see it, because it's so easy to get lost in the sauce. I'm Miss T Ideas. This is a fountain drink organizer. And I'm just telling you about it. It works wonderful. It is durable, it's doable, and I love it. Thank you, Maria Gonzalez. This is what inspired me on her page. And she make all kinds of stuff with boxes. Y'all need to go see. Her name again is Maria Gonzalez, and I will tag it. I will tag it in my when I upload this video. I Miss T Ideas, and I love some ideas. If you have some ideas for me, let me know, because I will try it. Right now, I'm working on a video where I am, I'm doing envelopes. I'm going to embroider some paper to make either a book jacket or an envelope. I'm going to get the needle and I'm going to go in and out, because I don't know how to embroider, but I know how to, make some straight lines. So, Miss T Ideas, I'll see you next time on another video. Bye, y'all.